Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are having a new special cake cream recipe just for you. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share and comment. I know you're already drooling over the images. So today we are making strawberry Mabuyu cream cake. So for this recipe you will need whipping cream, condensed milk, strawberries, Mabuyu seeds and flour, and a cake. So let's jump right into it. You will need an electric mixer for this recipe. So first thing is to whip up the cream just a bit, then add your condensed milk. Then you continue whipping until you get soft peaks. It's at this point that you can add your flavors or your fresh fruits and your icing sugar. The soft peaks here, the soft peak whipping cream can be used to make ice cream. Check out for the video, be on the look. So since we don't want ice cream, we continue whipping. My pink color is from fresh strawberries and fresh Mabuyu powder. I whip it until I get stiff peaks. I baked my cake at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. So it's time for decorating it and creaming it using our whipped cream that we made earlier. So first of all, I'll cut the cake into half. Then just make it a bit moist by pouring some condensed milk on it. As you can see, this makes it just a bit moist because we want it to hold the whipping cream in place in the middle. So we start by creaming the middle part so that when you cut it, you get all the gooiness of the cream and the extra cream in there. Make sure to put in enough amount of cream. If you're a cream person like me, I love so much cream, so I put it all in there. The next step, we're going to cream the outside. As you can see, I cut the top part of the cake. Then you cream it up like that. Be generous with the cream. Gently layer the cream until soft and silky. You will get a smooth silky finish after you've layered your whipped cream on your cake gently. And use a lot amount of whipped cream to get the good layers. Our cake is ready. I decorated it using the fresh strawberries and some of the Mabuyu powder and the Mabuyu seeds themselves. It looks amazing and tastes amazing too. Our cake is ready and you can see how the cream has settled in well. This is after decorating it and putting the garnish of the strawberries and Mabuyu. I put it in the fridge just to chill a bit and make the whipping cream a bit cold. So we are ready to enjoy this cake. I love how the whipping cream has settled in well and how generous it is. So just keep on drooling and make sure to try out this recipe and tag me on my Instagram, on my Facebook at Aurelia's Kitchen 254. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share all these videos with your friends and families. Guys, don't forget to try this recipe out. It's so amazingly delicious. The cake is moist. The cream is perfectly sugared. The flavor of the mabuyu and strawberries match perfectly well.